numbers. And then let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. If I asked you to write down all of the factors that each of these numbers have, starting with 12, what times what gives you 12? If I asked you to list me all the numbers that multiply to give you 12, well, you have 1 and 12, right? 2 times 6, correct? And 3 times 4. Those are all the factors of 12. How many are there? Looks like there's 6, right? What are the factors of 11? What times what gives you 11? God bless you. Anybody? What times what gives you 11? Joseph? Times 11. That's all there are, correct? What times what gives you 10? 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. What times what gives you 9? 1 times 9 and just a 3. What times what gives you 8? 1 and 8, 2 and 4. What times what gives you 7? 1 and 7. What times what gives you 6? 1, 6, 2, 3, 5, 1 and 5. 4, 2 and 4. 3, 2, 1. Now, why do I give you that? Because in order to understand what a prime number is, you have to write down the factors of a number. Because a prime number is a number with, write this down in big letters, exactly 2 factors. And the key to this is exactly 2 factors. We call a number prime if it only has 2 factors. So if you look at all the numbers we wrote here, which ones would we call prime numbers? Well, the number 11 is prime because it only has 1 and 11. The number 7 is prime because it's only 1 and 7. The number 5 is prime because it only has 1 and 5. The number 3 is prime. The number 2 is prime. What about the number 1? Is it prime? No, because it has to have 2. That's why I said exactly 2. Now, what do you know about prime numbers? Another way to say a prime number, this is the best way to think about it, but prime numbers cannot be divided by any other number. In other words, the only thing you can divide 11 by is 11 or 1. Okay. You can take 12, you can divide 12 by 6, by 3, by 2, by 4. You can divide 4 by 1, 2, and 4. But prime numbers have only those 2 factors. Okay. Now, there are some little clues there, or a key is, if I asked you if 72 is a prime number, would you say yes or no? How would you know that 72, well, just by right off the bat know that 72 is not a prime number? Yeah? How do you know for sure that 72 is not a prime number? Well, you could tell me because you know something times something gives you 72. Matt?
It's an even number.
Exactly. Okay. How do you know that there are no other even numbers that are prime other than 2? How do you know that even numbers are not prime? Every even number can be divided by what? Riley? 2. So because of that, you know that one of the factors, 72 has a bunch of factors. One of them would be dividing it by 2, 2 times 36. Or another even number, 144. I know that can't be prime because it is 2 times 72. Prime numbers can only have 2 factors. And once you know it's even, the only even prime number is the number 2. Every other even number you'll ever come across is not a prime number. Let's see what else I asked you, because we have to go one more thing here. Alright, then take out another blank piece of paper. 'Cause